Will psoriasis ever go away? Here's what you need to know. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skincare expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Volume Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to make skincare that truly works. In a large number of customer feedback calls, we receive one recurring question: will my psoriasis stay forever, since it's an autoimmune disorder? In a particularly heartbreaking case, one young lady told us that as a child, she was told by her doctor that her psoriasis will go with time. And it sort of did, till she had to deal with a flare up again at the age of 20 during her college exams. And she was totally heartbroken. Now, this is not an easy question to answer, but let me try to give you a fair perspective. Psoriasis is a skin condition that millions of people around the world struggle with. And if you are one amongst them or know someone who is, you've probably already heard by now that psoriasis has no cure. But is that really the full truth? Or can it, in some cases, go away? Today, we are diving deep into the science behind psoriasis, why it's considered incurable by modern science, and how people, yes, real people, have managed to live psoriasis free for years. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy skin cells, causing rapid cell turnover. This leads to red, scaly patches, inflammation, and massive discomfort. This misdirected immune response is chronic, meaning it persists over time, so it doesn't go away. Some dermatologists say that over time, patients may develop tolerance to treatments like corticosteroids, rendering them less effective. In some cases, the newer biologic therapies may also become less effective as the body develops antibodies against them. These things also lead to the pattern of psoriasis being incurable. Now, even the exact cause of psoriasis is hard to define. While we know the triggers are either genetic or environmental or immune related, but not having a definite reason also makes finding a definite cure harder. Therefore, psoriasis has no cure in the conventional sense. It can be managed, but not permanently eliminated. At least not in the way we define medical cures. But here's where things get interesting. There are people who have gone into what I'd like to call a long-term remission, some for years, some for decades. And how they did it is what we will explore today. Ancient civilizations have been treating skin conditions like psoriasis for centuries. Ayurveda, for example, considers psoriasis a result of an imbalance in doshas, leading to toxin buildup. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine focuses on cooling the body's heat and improving blood flow within the body with herbs. Some patients have found significant relief in this. Another interesting and lesser known method of alternate healing of psoriasis is aromatherapy, the art of blending aromatic plant oils for their therapeutic value and applying them on affected areas. Traditional treatments often also include dietary changes and mindfulness practices, as these lead to the holistic healing approach that we now know is an absolute must for healing something immunity related like psoriasis. And guess what? Many people following the above methods have seen their psoriasis reduce drastically or even disappear. Now let's talk about some modern findings. Research increasingly links psoriasis to gut health and inflammation, focusing on dietary supplements, topical applications, and mind-body practices. Many holistic practitioners suggest that healing the gut through adopting a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 fatty acids, while avoiding alcohol, red meat, and processed foods, may help manage psoriasis symptoms. Topical application of certain plant extracts like virgin olive oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera have shown benefits in soothing inflammation and reducing infection due to their prominent antimicrobial properties. Mind-body therapies such as meditation and acupuncture have been associated with improvements in psoriasis symptoms, further proving that holistic approaches to psoriasis management cannot be taken lightly. There's also phototherapy, which uses controlled UVB light to reduce flare-ups. Some people have combined this with dietary changes and reported being symptom-free for years. At Oleum Cottage, we have worked with individuals who were once struggling with severe psoriasis. And while we never claim to cure anything, we have seen people experience incredible transformations using activated oils that nourish the skin and calm inflammation. One of our customers, Mr. Ajay, shared how after years of steroid creams, switching to a natural anti-inflammatory diet along with a therapeutic oil blends helped him go 2 years without a single flare-up. He had psoriasis on the scalp for nearly 15 years and an overly dry and reactive skin. It was painful to see the discomfort he had to go through. And then there was Meenal, who had psoriasis on her elbows and found that reducing dairy and using healing formulations gave her relief she never thought possible. But you know what is the one thing we remind people when they write to us with these positive reports? When you have found a good balance of natural methods that's working for you, please just stick to it. Because you're one of those rare people who has done something nearly impossible. So, will psoriasis ever go away? The answer isn't simple. Medically, it's labeled as a chronic condition, but real people, through ancient wisdom, modern science, and lifestyle changes, have achieved long-term remission. If you or someone you love is struggling with psoriasis, just know this: there is hope. Your skin is listening to how you care for it, inside and out. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. You can also book a consultation with us if you have any more questions. See you in the next video.